As went through with some problems on decoder and implementation part. Any doubts, anyone? If you have doubt, you can ask. So any doubts till yesterday's class? For the first internal syllabus point of view, any doubts, anyone? From first module or decoders? So I told you syllabus, I think, for the first internal, you have been complete first module, followed by your decoder till yesterday's class. That is your implementation problem. Any doubts, anyone? If you have doubt, you can ask. Or else
Sir,
we'll proceed with the, yeah?
Queen McCluskey, don't care, sir.
Repeat, yeah?
Sir, I have doubt regarding Queen McCluskey, don't care, sir.
Okay, ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 2 ಮಿಂಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಓಕೆ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಮಿಂಟಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ.
Group of 4 midterms. No,
Yes,
what the procedure? No, you have written the things in order, right? Number of
Yes.
ones, zeros, ones that you written, no? Then you are
Yes,
grouping, comparing, you're going to write the next step. So which were matched, you tick. Which were not matched, that you should check next step and you should write. Okay.
Sir, ಅದು including the matched we should write, sir.
Including matched. No, if
Yes.
it is matching, you can see. For example, this is what you're asking. Just one set. I'll just come back to board. Yeah, board is visible here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, you got dash dash 0. So again, I will write some 1 dash dash. So this is one group. Okay. So similarly, you have one more group with 1 dash dash 0. Then again 1 dash dash. So if you have such kind of things, so what is the procedure? You need to compare this with this and this with this. Is it matching? These two are matching? Is it matching or not? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I can write this 2 as 1 dash dash 0. So from this 2 I got 1. So you can take both together like this, right? Similarly, you can compare this with this. See this 2. You can see here dash 1 is there, so you can't. So this is discarded. So again compare this with this. So 0 1 is there, 1 0 is there. This is also not possible. Then this 2, possible, right? So 0 1 only one change. Again 1 dash dash. So only you're going to get this 2. So again you just compare in this step. Any comparison is possible, do. Otherwise you can stop there itself. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. But for the group of 4 minterms, can we add the ungrouped pair from step 1 and step 2, sir, for this group of 4 minterms while doing matching?
You're telling which particular example or any example you're telling?
Sir, no, sir. In
Sir,
general,
while selecting prime implicants table, sir.
Okay. See, selecting prime implicant table, this combination, okay, the last final step, that combination plus the previous step which were unmarked. That is what we did now. You can consider.
okay, sir.
Okay, now see, you just check out which particular problem you have. You just share me. I will tell you once more, not a problem. If you have doubt, you just go back to the previous links what I have shared. Just understand from that. Still you didn't find means, let me repeat once more. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Others? Any doubts here? With the syllabus for the internal, see, I think you will get one more class on Friday. So on that day also we'll keep as a revision class. If you have doubt, you just share me your doubts so that we can discuss common to everyone. Okay. If not, let me proceed with my syllabus. So shall I proceed with syllabus? Any doubts still? . Yeah, anyone any doubts here? Shall we proceed? Yeah? Someone talked? If you want to talk, unmute yourself and talk here properly. So any doubts is there? Shall we proceed for the next topic in the second module?
Sir, in assignments,
Yeah, assignment.
we have doubts.
Yes, anything. Tell me which one.
So that 4-line to 4-line priority encoder, we are not taught this.
That we are not yet done, right?
Yes, sir. That one.
It is priority encoder. See, I told clearly the syllabus for the first internal says till decoder, and no adder, there is no subtractor, only decoder part. Till yesterday's class, that implementation part we learned using 74138, 74139 active low active high concept. Till there you prepare. So remaining topic, that is for next internal. So assignment question, that is going to be done. Maybe if the topics are not covered, you can leave the topics, you can write next time assignment, not an issue. So which topics are covered, that much you finish off now. So I think today we'll deal with that question what you asked, encoder and priority encoder. Okay now?
Okay.
Yeah, others? See, I think I scheduled earlier you have to submit assignment today, but I have increased 2 more days. So by Saturday. So I've given time on or before Saturday. So before that, I want everyone to finish up the assignment and get prepared for the first internal. See what assignment is given. So that is it's a preparation for your first internal, right? So try to practice the problem on the paper once. So don't blindly see, it is not a thing to read. So these subjects are to practice, right? So still if you have doubt, you just drop a message. So Friday class will keep a revision if you want. Otherwise, I'll proceed with my syllabus. So any doubts? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I think in the last class we went through with decoder concept, right? So decoder is a combinational circuit. So what all things you learned, you are going to reverse operation for the next topic called as encoder, right? So in decoder, how many inputs, how many outputs you had?
N
Decoder.
inputs and 2 power n outputs.
N inputs and 2 power n outputs. So now it is a reverse category. In case of encoder, you will be having 2 power n inputs, 2 power n inputs followed by n outputs. So you got the first difference. What all the things you are going to learn in decoder, same thing repeat. Only thing is reverse operation. So there in decoder, I think you went through with the 3:8 decoder, 2:4 decoder. Correct now? Now reverse operation, you are going to learn n:2 power n encoder. So for example, 2 power n:n decoder, n2 power n into n encoder. So in this you can expect 4:2 and 8:3. So this is what the thing you're going to learn here. So in this again priority is there, as your friend asked some question, right? What is the meaning of priority encoder? That we will deal today. So before that, you just got the logic. What all things you learned in case of decoder, reverse operation. So am I clear till here, everyone? Everyone, is it fine? You got the logic of encoder?
Yes, sir.
So if I write a block diagram for this, how it looks here. So if I take a block diagram for encoder, so I say 2 power n inputs. So 2 power n inputs you can provide here. Okay, and you can get n outputs. So this is how the block diagram look. Okay, so straight away we'll move to example. We don't want to waste time here. So we'll move to 4:2 encoder. 4:2 encoder. Okay, so in this 4:2 encoder, so same thing, whenever you want to build any 4:2 encoder, so you have to start with the truth table, right? So truth table. So how many inputs you have now? How many inputs?
4, sir.
4, right? See, this is the combination like this. 2 power n is to n. So n is 2 here. So outputs are 2, means input will be 4. So I can designate D0, D1, D2, D3. See, this is left to you. See, few textbook they will like designate I0, I1, I2, I3. Few D1, D2, D3 for few XYZ, whatever it is. Stick on to the procedure. Okay. So D0, D1, D2, D3, 4 inputs followed by 2 outputs. 2 outputs of your choice. So let me take Y1 and Y0. I told you variable designation is left to you. Okay. So now the truth table says, so when all the inputs are 0, what is the output here?
0.
0 now. It goes to a don't care condition na 0 now.
Okay.
Is it don't care or 0 condition here? You forgot how we wrote in case of decoder, just recall all inputs. Don't see whether, I hope you remember what is the meaning of decoder, right? Whichever particular switch was on, corresponding. My voice is breaking. Is it audible? Am I audible here?
It's breaking, sir.
Am I audible? Now check out. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So whichever particular in on, then corresponding output used to get, no, it was like a switch. Same concept here. If none of the inputs are I, then you can't expect the output. It goes to don't care condition. Okay. So make sure that next input D1 is 1 and remaining all 0, 0. What happens when D1 is 1 and remaining all 0, 0? D0 output is
0, 0.
Getting here, everyone? So next, I will make D1 as 1, then again remaining all 0, 0. What's the output?
0, 1.
0, 1. I hope you got this. So this is nothing new, which you already learned. The same thing we are designating here. Okay. So if D2 is 1, remaining all 0, 0, you're going to get 1, 0.
1,
And
0.
D3 is 1, remaining all 0, 0, you're going to get 1.
1.
Is it fine? Everyone? So this is just a block diagram representation. We need to do a general one with the truth table. So for this, they may ask you to write a logic circuit or logic diagram also. For the same question, if they ask you to plot a logic diagram, how will you plot? I need to plot for my output Y1 and Y0. Correct? So how it looks? How it looks? How to plot? Where is 1? 1 is, you just write for Y1 once. So 1 is here. Corresponding 1 where it is, just find out. That is for D2. Okay. So what should be done now? How to do connection? Similarly, 1 is here. That is for D3. So which gate I should connect now? So I need to designate all the 4 inputs D0, D1, D2, D3. I told you clearly whether you want horizontally you write or vertically you write, that is left to you. So designate D0, D1, D2 and D3. So this is the input part. So now I want to plot a logical circuit diagram for the output. So where is 1? 1 is there for D2 and D3. You can look at here, this 2. So what should be written there? How can I write now? What you will do here? I want Y1 here. So which gate you want to connect now to get Y1? So y1 is here, y1 is here. So you need to add this, that's all. So addition means which gate you want?
OR gate.
OR gate. So wherever D2 is there, connect D2 and D3 and join this to an OR gate. That becomes your y1. Understood? Similarly, tell me for y0 now. So y0, 1 is here, 1 is here. So 1 is for D1 and one more is for D3. So combination says what? For D1, D3, join with an OR gate, that becomes y0. Am I clear with this encoder simple 4:2? Everyone? Everyone, is it fine? Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts still? So what I did, I just took example of your encoder. So generally it's 2 power n into n. I have chosen n as 2 now. So 2 means it become 4:2 encoder. So to design this, truth table is required and logic diagram is required. So same way, plot for what? 8:3. 8:3 encoder for me. Plot 8:3 encoder, everyone. So is it done? Shall I erase this? Just make a note for your reference. 4 inputs, 2 outputs. Designation, I told it's left to you. Okay, but understand the logic. D0, D1, D2, D3. If D0 is 1, then corresponding output will come as 0, 0. If D1 is 1, same, nothing new as liquid decoder only. Shall I erase it? Is it fine? Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now plot for 8:3 decoder, sorry, 8:3 encoder. So same procedure I want you to repeat. So encoder is made up of OR gate. That's why I chosen OR gate there, right? Yeah. So what is the example I told? 8:3. So 8:3. How many inputs now?
8.
8 input. So designate from D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, followed by your outputs Y0, Y1 and Y2. So you can fill this. You can fill this. So when all inputs are 0, 0, output remains what? A don't care condition, right? Next, when D0 is 1, remaining all 0, 0. So you're going to get the first output. So fill this table, everyone. This is nothing new, right? Any doubts, anyone to write this? You got the logic of, see, the question will be 8:3 encoder or octa to 3-bit encoder. Octa to binary encoder. Octa means 8. 8:3. Fill this table, finish it up. So 1 here, remaining all 0, 0. Similarly, 1 here, remaining all 0, 0. 1 here, remaining all 0, 0. So you can fill zeros backward. So 1 here, remaining all 0, 0. So only at particular things you can expect, remaining will remain 0. So any doubts, anyone till here? This is just a simple concept. So we'll go to a major concept called encoder priority. So just fill this. Is it done? Now tell me how to plot or how to sketch the waveform, the logical diagram. So Y2, how will you get? Combination of D4, D5, D6, D7. So connect inputs D4, D5, D6, D7 to OR gate and connect it as Y2. Yeah, any doubts here, anyone? You got how to do this concept? Am I clear? Everyone, is it fine?
Sir, how to do that Y2, Y1 and how to fill, sir?
This one. You're asking how to fill or how to write the logical diagram?
How to fill, sir?
So what I told, which is one here? Which is one? That particular output. How we learned decoder here? What is the decoder logic? When 0, 0 is there, what was coming output? Same logic. See here, when D1 is 1, it means what? Not. So D0. What is 0? 0 representation in binary is how much? 3 bit, 0, 0, 0, right? So when D1 is 1, what should be the output? 1 is the output. D2, 2 is output. Is it fine now? Yeah, someone asked how to write that Y not Y2. Is it fine? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Still doubts here? If you have doubt, you can ask. See, nothing new here. What I am teaching today, it is already done. Whichever particular bit is high, the corresponding switch will on. If I say D5, D5 switch is on. What is the equivalent of D5 in binary? 3 bit. It's 101. That's why I wrote 101 if D5 is 1. Similarly, if D7 is 1, 7 equivalent in binary is what? 111. Is it fine now? Is it fine? Yeah, those who asked doubt, is it fine? Okay. Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you build a circuit for this logic diagram. Can you build a logic diagram for this? Like this, what I did. So now you will be having 8 inputs. So you need to mark 8 lines. So mark the 8 lines like this, 1, 2, 7 till 8. Then how will you connect your Y2? I told D4, D5, D6, D7. See here? From these 4 ones. So this 4 ones is like this, right? So connect D4, D5, D6, D7 to one OR gate. That becomes your Y2. Similarly, where is Y1? Y1 is here. So 1, here 2, here 2. So it means what? D2, D3 and D6, D7. So connect D2, D3, D6, D7 to one more OR gate. That becomes Y1. Yeah, artha aitendro? Everyone? Is it fine? Yeah, I'm asking you people only. Is it fine? I'm audible here.
Yes, sir.
So is it clear till now? So this is a simple thing what you need to write. So if they ask you to explain 8:3 or 4:2 encoder, so try to write the truth table like this and implement using a simple OR gate. So am I done? Any doubts? If you have doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll go with the next important concept called as priority encoder. Okay, na, Tilia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So after knowing the logic of your encoder, so let's try to understand what is a meaning of your priority encoder. So before going for this, can anyone tell me what is a general meaning of the word priority? What's the meaning of priority? Yeah. What is the meaning of the word priority?
Which is important.
Importance, good. Which is importance, very good. Then only importance is the
Order.
only word which matches priority, as your friend
Order.
told. Yeah. Others?
In an order.
Order. Okay, good. So can I call preference also?
Yes, sir.
So priority means preference. Okay. So heading is, just make a note, priority encoder. So it's very important topic here, because you'll be having different priority encoders that you will come to know in your lab also. You will be using IC numbers like what did you decoder, right? So 74138 and 74139. Same way we get here. That we'll discuss. Before that, let's try to understand what is the meaning of priority. So everyone got the meaning of priority? It means giving a preference. Okay. So what type of preference we'll just check out. So let me try to explain priority encoder for 4:2. 4:2 priority encoder. So same logic you can apply for your 8:3. Okay. So listen here. So what is the logic diagram? So for 4:2, how many inputs you have? How many inputs?
4.
4. See, I already told you, few textbook will give D0, D1, D2, D3, or few will give I0, I1, I2, I3. Your wish. You can pick whichever you want. So 4 inputs will be there. So 4 inputs. Okay. And followed by 2 outputs. So let me designate it as Y1, Y0 or Y0, Y1. So outputs. Okay. So this is your 4:2 encoder. And what type of encoder? Priority encoder. Okay. Now listen. Now listen carefully. Whenever we are dealing with respect to any priority encoder, you need to set the priority. Priority means which is having highest priority, which is having lowest priority. Okay. So in this example, if I consider your D3 as highest priority and D0 as lowest priority, what is the meaning of that? In this example, I am creating D3 as the highest priority and D0 as the lowest priority. What is the meaning?
D3 comes first and D0 last, sir.
Very good. So in between there is D1, D2 also. It means what? So lowest priority is D0, right? So that next level means before that lowest will be D1, before that will be your D2. Agree? And last is your D3. Right? Listen carefully. So the meaning of this is, for example, if input of D3 is 1, if input of D3 is 1, what is the output? If input of D3 is 1, what is the output?
1, 0.
Hey.
1, 1, sir. 1, 1.
3. 3 means 1, 1. So both will be 1, 1. Agree na?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? So now assume that if I give your D3 as 0 and D1 as 1, if I give D3 as 0 and D1 as 1, then what is the output? What is the output? Making D3 as 0, D1 as 1. What is D1? 1 output is?
0, 1.
0, 1. Correct, na? Why any difficulties here? See, whichever is on, that should be coming as output. That's all the logic. If it is 2, 1, 0. If it is 1, 0, 1. If it is 3, 1, 1. How can I tell you? Now let me add the word priority here. So assume that D3 is also 1 and D2 is also 1. Now tell me what is the output?
1, 1.
1, 1. Everyone agree with this answer? What your friend told? 1, 1. Yes or no? What is happening now? See, I am getting same inputs, right? But what is the logic of encoder or decoder? It is like a switch. At a time you can pass only one. So I can't pass your D3, D2 together. Either I can pass D2 or D3. But question is, which should go first? Which should go first? So on what basis we told it is 1 1? Because D3
Is
is
the
having
highest.
the highest priority. Once I found D3 is 1 year, irrespective of other inputs, I will put mention here, irrespective of other inputs, whether it is don't care. I mean don't care means either 0 or 1. Whether anything is their input, if D3 is 1, automatically D3 will coming out. Am I clear? Everyone, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine? So you got what is the meaning of priority now? Now I will ask the truth table. I want you to tell me what is the truth table. Before that, is it fine? Got the logic of priority for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, shall we go with the truth table now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after knowing this, let me plot a truth table here. Just check out, is it visible this side? Yeah. So truth table again, same thing here. How many inputs? So same thing remains D0, D1, D2 and D3. Okay. So we are going to have two outputs here. So Y1 and Y2. Sorry, Y0 and Y1. Okay now? Fine. So what I told, D0 priority and D3. Now tell me. So if you take all the inputs, if you take all 0 0, what's the output?
Don't care.
Don't care. Right? Very good. Fine. Any doubts, anyone? So now I will make D0 as 1, remaining all 0 0. So D0 as 1, remaining all 0 0. What's the answer?
0 0.
0 0. Because D0 is 1 year. Okay. Now listen carefully. If D1 is 1, if D1 is 1, if I mention D2 and D3 as 0 0, if I take this D0 as a don't care condition, correct now? See, once D1 itself is high, do you want to check what is there in D0 or not? Do you want to check?
No, sir.
No need, right? Since the priority is given for D1 compared to D0, whether 0 is there or 1 is there, irrespective of that, I will write the output as 0 1.
0 1.
Agree na? So in this condition, I can put 0 also, I can put 1 also. If I put 1, so it look like D1 is also 1, D0 is also 1. So which one will prefer?
D1.
So this is the meaning of priority encoder. Am I clear to everyone now? Am I?
Yes, sir.
So earlier you used to write this as 0 by making one as other as 1. But now we will straight away put X irrespective of either 0 or 1 input, which is having highest priority, that will be out, right? So now similarly, if D2 is 1 and D3 should be 0, what about this two now? XX?
Don't care.
So if D2 itself is 1, then need not worry about the other two inputs. What is there behind that? That is D1 and D0. So straight away I can write output as 1 0.
0.
Similarly, D3 1 and remaining all become XX, it becomes 1 1. So any doubts? Anyone till here? Any doubts? Anyone till here? I hope I made things clear for you. What is the meaning of priority encoder? Yes or no? Am I? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, listen here. Few textbook, they are designated this in the reverse way also. It means D3, D2, D1, D0 they have given. So what is the thing you should remember then? So this is your original thing, what I made it understand. So I'll just show you one more possibilities. D3, D2, D1, D0, and here this remains fine. So if it is like this is highest priority. See, according to that, it tells that MSB should have highest. That is why they are given D3 as highest priority and D0 as lowest. Both are same only. But while designating, what will happen? So if I give this as 1, remaining all 0, 0, output is 0, 0. Right? If I designate this as 1, this becomes don't care. So this is 0, 1. And if this is 1, this 2 are don't care. This is 0, 1, 0. And last one, XX, 1, 1. Can I make a difference between this and this? Is it same?
Yes, sir.
So understood why I told? Because few textbook you may find such kind of things and few such kind of things. So stick on to one. Any one logic you remember. Whichever is having highest priority, that should be turning as a output. Right? So after knowing this, so what are things they may ask you? So earlier you did something called as what? A logical diagram, right? So now we'll try to verify how to get that logical diagram using K-map also. K-map. So let me try to explain you how to get this using K-map. So before that, any doubts anyone till you? Have you got the logic of priority encoder? So now I need to teach you how to get Y1 and Y0 using a K-map. So they may ask you to realize using K-map also. That's why I want you to understand the things properly. Is it fine?
Sir, like in question, do they tell which is highest priority and lowest priority, or we should only consider, sir, which LSP is?
If it is a general question like this, you can pick. So there will be a specific type of problem. I will teach you after this. So they will tell whether it is lowest bit, you should take this only, highest bit this only, then you should go with that only. Artha agtidya? So that depends upon the question. This is like explain priority encoder. So then you can take whichever things you want. While solving the problem, there is a specific type of problem that I will teach you. You will understand better. Is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now tell me, if I want to get output of Y1 and Y0 using K-map, so how many inputs do you have here?
Four inputs.
So how many combination cells you should have K-map?
16.
Good. So I should have 16 cell. So I hope everyone remember the K-map. You not forgot, right? So this is what your K-map tells. So let me write K-map here. So 16 cells, you can make 16 cells here. So now I will tell you how to fill this. See, it is not so easy like how we used to do. So what are the inputs? You are given D0, D1,
D1,
D2,
D2,
D3. Correct, appa? So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Similarly 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now just listen carefully how to fill this table, because look at your Y1. It is having only 1 at this particular point. But how to fill the complete K-map is a question now. Correct now? Earlier you used to know what are the equal outputs. You used to dump here, you get the mapping done easily. But now it is not so easy to be considered. Just understand the things carefully. So now I am plotting a K-map for your Y1 output. So K-map for Y1 output. So look at there carefully the truth table and tell me 1 is there, output wherever 1 is there, that is there for what and what? For D2 and D3 combination. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let me take X also, don't get condition, along with the minterms as a K-map. Look at the X. So X is there for what inputs? 0, 0, 0, 0. So where is 0, 0 combination? 0, 0, 0, 0. Isn't this is called as X? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next, look at where is 1. Where is 1 in that? Is it applied for a combination called 1 0? Yes or no? Yeah. It
Yes, sir.
means wherever you have D2 as 1, irrespective of D0 and D1, you just check out where is D2 1. So where is D2 1? Is it this 2? Right or wrong? Is it this 2?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what about your D0, D1? It says,
Don't care.
it says what?
Don't care.
Don't care. Don't care means all the combinations possible anta artha. Correct? Huh? Yes or no, yaar?
Yes, sir.
I will repeat. See, first I wrote y1 x for this combination of 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, y1 is 1 for corresponding d2 1. So, what you should do, go to your K-map and search where is d2. So, this is your d2 and similarly this is your d2. It means in this two particular column, you can fill the ones. How many times you will fill? Look at there, d3 says 0. So 1 0 combination is there. So 1 0 combination is here. And what about this combination? What about this combination? I can pick wherever I want, right? It's a don't care. So
Yes,
it
sir.
means, can I fill this two position with 1 1 1 1 1 1? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
How many didn't got this? What I wrote? Look at the table. Y1 is 1 for D2 is 1. It means wherever input D2 is equal to 1, there I should fill with ones. Because this side input we don't know. That is called XX. XX means all these combinations will come. That's why I wrote 1 1 1 1 1 1 everywhere. Am I done with this?
Sorry. Only in 1 0 column we should fill. Like
Only
in the 1 0 column we should fill.
okay, fine. Let me check out that also. Okay, only in 1 0 column. Fine, good. Because let me conclude later. Fine. So let me go with this only now. As your friend told, since D2 is 1 and D3 is 0, that belongs to this 1 0 combination. So here, whatever combination, I will fill with 1 1 1. Good. What about next? Look at there. D3 is 1. And what is the combination of this? What is the combination of this? If we say D3 is 1, then where is D3 is 1? D3 is 1 here also. D3 is 1 here also. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me, D2 don't care, D0 don't care, D1 don't care. What is the meaning? So meaning is wherever D3 is there, can I fill with 1 1?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So as your friend told, first case was 1 0. So 1 0 was only here. So that's why I wrote 1 1 only for this particular thing. In case of second, D3 is 1. We don't know the remaining, it's all don't care. It means all possibilities are there. So wherever you find D3 1, this is D3 1, this is D3 1. So this all are don't care. That's why I filled a complete 2 columns with 1 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the next step?
Grouping.
After marking things, what is the next step? I need to group it.
Yes, sir.
Grouping.
Yeah. Any octa? Octa.
Two
Two octa.
So you have 2 octas. Everyone agree with this? Let me mark with different marker. So can I call this as 1 octa? And similarly, this has 1 more octa. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
So from this, what is the expression here? From first octa. So from first octa, is it D3?
D3.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So from second octa, is it D2?
D2.
So now understood how we got this D3 plus D2 in the earlier cases. See, we used to write, right? Earlier cases directly to OR gate. I hope now is it fine to everyone? How we wrote? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So same way, can you plot me for your why not and tell me what is the answer for K-map? So before going for that, how many didn't got this K-map plotting? See, if you want to understand this, you can't plot for why not. That's why I'm asking. If anybody have doubt, you can ask. I will repeat once more. Any doubts, anyone? How we fill this K-map? No? Shall we proceed then? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, plot for why not and tell me what is the answer now. So we'll erase here only. I think this is done. I will erase here. So I want you to plot this. So again, same combination, 16 cells. If anybody have doubt how to fill this, you can ask me. Same logic, 0, 0. I mean D2, D0, D1. D2, D3. Okay. Yeah. Now tell me. So 1 is there. So what was the combination for this? I think 2. It was like this. Correct?
1, 1.
Where I should put 1 now? So X area of X combination is there again same way for this combination. Amala. 1 is here. So 1 is here for which combination? Is it for 1? I think it was X1, 0, 0. Correct? Is it what? D0, D1, D2. Fine. Now for 1, 0, 0 combination, I should fill with 1. So D1, 1. So where is D1, 1 such? So is it
0,
this
1
2?
and 1, 0.
This 2?
Yes, sir.
Then other side it says 0, 0. It means it comes here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I should fill 1, 1 here.
Full.
Yes, sir.
Arthakya Palargo. I'll repeat, see here. It is X1, 0, 0. So 1, 0. That is D1 is 1. Such where is D1 is 1. That is for this 2. This combination, D1 is 1. Then comes where in which path I should fill 1. It says what? D2, D3, 0, 0. So D2, D3, 0, 0 means in this particular first column, that's why you filled with 1, 1. Artha aita? Done? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, proceed. So next, what about this? So I think it's X, X, X and 1. Like earlier only. Correct? Huh? Like the previous case. So where is D3, 1? So D3, 1 is this. This is 1. This is 1. And remaining combination are XX. It means what?
All 1, 1.
Same like previous one. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now grouping.
One octa, 1 quad.
So this is octa 1, good. Then what about this? Will you make it as pair or quad?
Quad.
Good. So don't go with pair. It should be quad because quad will reduce more expression as possible compared to pair. So I hope everyone understood now. Now can you tell me what is the expression for y not equals to? So from first category you got D2 I think, right? Or D3? D3 Alappa.
Sir.
So this 4, common
D1.
is D1 and common is D2.
D1.
Is it D1, D2? Is it correct what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
Or is it D1, D2 bar I think? Bar alone, bro. 0 means D2 bar alappa. 0, 0 common. This is D bar, right? D2 bar, D2 bar. So D2 bar is common from this and D1 is common from this. So you got the expression as D3 plus D1 D2 bar. Any doubts? Anyone? Any doubts? Anyone? How to simplify this K-map logic and to get the expression of Y0 on Y1. So this is called as priority encoder. If anybody have doubt, you can ask me, we will repeat. Otherwise, we will directly plot the logical diagram for this now. Any doubts?
Sir, that vertical D2, D3 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, no, sir?
Ellappa?
Sir, mailing, sir.
This one?
Sir, no, sir, ado oct barala alva, sir. Pakkad column go.
This combination is octantling. First one.
Sir, you have wrote for 1 1 you have wrote 1 1 0, sir.
Yes, sir, 1, 1 badlu 1, 0 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Mentioning sir 0 0 0 1
ಕಾಲಮ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
1 1 1 0.
0 0
Okay,
1
sir.
1 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Naming. Okay. This is 1 1 1 0 na. Okay na.
Yes, sir.
So, but here common is this only, right? Not this one.
D3 same, sir.
So from this to D3 is common, and from this equation is same. Equation is correct, right? Only naming you are different. That's all. Equation is same.
Yes, sir.
Same, sir.
Yeah. So is it fine now? Everyone understood? Still doubt is there? So anybody want me to repeat this K-map plotting, or shall we proceed for your logic diagram?
Logic diagram.
Yeah. So once you got the two equations of Y0, Y1, just plot a logic diagram. So how many inputs? How many inputs?
4.
So D0, D1, D2, D3. So represent whether you want horizontally or vertically, your wish. Represent D0, D1, D2 and D3. So just check out for which one you want complement. I think only for D2 you
D2.
want complement. So
Yes,
I
sir.
need one NOT gate here. Correct? Huh? Is it fine? So first plot for Y1. So it says D3, D2 OR gate. D3 is here, D2 is here, and connect this to OR gate. This becomes your Y1 output. Next, you want D1 and combination is given to which gate now? D1, D2 bar, which gate?
AND gate.
Good. So D1 is here and D2 bar. See, try to highlight that with the bubble so that it will be visible clearly whether you taken D or D bar. So this should be given to AND gate, and this combination should be given to which gate?
OR gate.
Connect Y3 and give it to this. So this is your Y0. So I hope you have understood the logic now. How to explain a priority encoder for 4:2. Am I done? Any doubts, anyone still?
Also.
So similarly, I want you to repeat, not now, after internals. So not for next class also, I will give sufficient time. So try to plot the same way for your 8:3 encoder. 8:3 priority encoder. So that will be your assignment. Later you can do after internals, but keep in mind how to do the thing. We did for 4:2. Same way you have to repeat for 8:3. Is it fine, everyone? Am I?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts? If you have doubt, you can ask. So next class, let me keep as a revision class if you want for the first internal. If you have any doubts from the first module or second module decoder, implementation of decoder problem, you can ask. We'll do that revision. If no doubts, let me go with next part of your encoder. Am I clear? Everyone, am I clear?
Sir.
Okay, so we'll stop here. So attendance, you can inform and you can enter there. One not one is there. Rahul is not there. Okay, 2.
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9, 10, 11.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Yes, Sakshi, last class you were absent, man.
Yes, sir.
12,
Yes, sir.
13,
Yes, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16, Shashidhar, ilva? 17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Yes, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7, 'Supriya ilva? 28,
Present, sir.
29, Sushmita,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
yeah, 30, 31,
Present, sir.
32,
Yes, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
34, 35. Hey, why these two people are not coming, man? Venkatachalai and Vijita. CRs are there? 36. Yeah, why these two are not turning up? Please check out here.
Present, sir.
Yenapa? No, who is CR here?
36 present.
Yeah, 36.
My,
given.
sir.
Name.
Suraj, sir.
Yeah, Suraj. You just check out why this 134, 135, 103 and 104 not turning up. Yeah?
Okay,
You
sir.
just check out Suraj. 134,
Present,
sir.
135 and 103, 104. Okay? 39.
Okay, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
yeah, 41, 42.
Sir, 37 present.
Yeah, given Vinay. 43,
Present, sir.
Nag, Ritwik, Telecom 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4 is not there. Shobita Ilva. 5, Tejaswini.
Present, sir.
Okay. Enter USA number and you can leave.
Sir, 109 present, sir.
109. Vaishnavi. Yeah, given.